Hey there, fellow appliance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky tech issues into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the Miele washing machine Error F92, specifically for 2025 models. If you've ever stared at that blinking error code and felt completely lost, you're in the right place. Let's get straight to it. First off, what exactly is Error F92? In Miele washing machines, this code typically signals a problem with the water inlet system. It could mean there's a blockage in the inlet hose, a faulty water pressure switch, or even an issue with the machine's sensor detecting water levels incorrectly. This error is common in 2025 models due to their advanced smart features, but don't worry, it's often fixable at home. To start troubleshooting, begin by checking your water supply. Ensure the tap connected to your washing machine is fully open and that there's no kink in the hose. Next, unplug the machine for about 5 minutes to perform a reset. This can clear temporary glitches. Once that's done, inspect the inlet filter for any debris or limescale buildup. You'll find it at the end of the hose. Give it a good clean with warm water and a soft brush. If the error persists, it's time to delve a bit deeper. Check the pressure switch by ensuring the machine is level and not overloaded, as this can affect water detection. If you're comfortable, you might want to consult your user manual for model-specific diagnostics. Remember, if you're not handy with tools, it's always safer to call a professional technician to avoid voiding your warranty. In summary, Error F92 is usually related to water flow issues, and following these steps can get your Miele machine running smoothly again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.